In this video, I'm going to show you how to use private browsing in Safari browser on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Safari browser on your iPhone. Now tap the tabs icon in the bottom right corner. Tap or swipe to private and then tap plus icon to open a new private browsing tab. The address bar is dark and this will indicate that you are using private browsing mode. Now when you search, tracking is blocked so you don't get ads based on your searches and the details of the website visits will not be recorded in your search history. To disable private browsing mode, just tap or swipe to tab option and normal tab will be opened. So that is how you can use private browsing in Safari browser on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.